She's gonna make me swim all the way out there by myself. Just touch it, just touch it, just touch it. Yeah. I'm gonna drop a third real quick, guys. Happy birthday, baby. I don't think I can fit this in my stomach. Happy birthday. Ready? Yeah, baby.
Slide over there. All the way down. The OG girls, yeah. Right there, bend your knees.
Oh yeah! Oh shit! Oh no! Different bed. Oh yeah! Ready, bro? Oh okay. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we're gonna take it to the sky, and this is the view over here. Yeah. I think it just got really quiet, so I know. We are screaming and then we stopped. Yeah, so this is what it's like 1,000 feet up. I think I heard they said like 1,200, so who knows. The flash in my boy vest. Okay. This is my first time, so it's more calmer than I thought it would. I know. It was kind of tired around my legs, not gonna lie. I'm doing back too much. I think I'm gonna like flip. I'm gonna do a backflip. Like I can probably fall asleep right now, but I really gotta pee. I think I'm flashing my web, but I don't wanna like go. You know what? It's okay. The world can see my web. Is that a turtle? Where? Right there. Right there. To your, move your legs. To your right. Move your legs. To your right. Oh, I'm taller than me. If we're getting dunked, we're kind of screwed. Yeah, I feel like my stomach is gonna like. Oh, whoa. So like, the guy told me that, okay, so he had like a shark, right? And he went up to like some other person like on the thing, like get their hand, and then they bit the thing, right? And then you gave your seat in. And then he did me, and he's like,
You don't need to worry about sharks. Just boys.
just boy. I'm gonna drop a third real quick, guys. I feel this is like a great pooping position right here. Oh lo, oh lo, oh ho ho ho, ho ho. Stop turning the boat, girl. Oh 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 oh. Wait, I don't want to go anymore, dude. No. Dude. Oh shit. They're gonna be like, bye! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! No! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! Just touch it, just touch it, just touch it! Okay, the water was actually warm though, so at least it would. Oh. Oh. That's so ugly. Yo, we did it. Yo. Oh my god. My ass is like so. Oh wait, that's. We're gonna go find some turtles. I'm editing day 2, and it's taking way too long to freaking edit.
There's like no waves here.
Also, that's good, so you
On
won't
this side of the
drown.
island.
No park?
No waves. Yeah.
No. Can't park there.
Hey y'all, so this is where we are right here. I'm at 30%. Oh shit, that's pretty big. Ah! Oh my god, look at that! What the fuck? I'm scared. How do we go out? I'm a little scared. No! No! Oh! Oh! No! Okay, I'm gonna try it. Oh! Can you make me swim all the way out there by myself? Girl, look at me! Okay, so yeah, it took us like 4 minutes to get in, but we're good, I think. Oh my god, hey guys, so we just came back from Electric Beach. It's like that way. Yeah, it's like that way. And so we were like really out far. Like we'll insert the GoPro footage or whatever. And like we were out super far, and then we came back, my like snorkel thing fell, and then I thought we like lost it for life and I was gonna have to buy a new one. But then like my dad found the guy who was like asking around, and then it was mine, and then yeah, I found it. Yeah. So now we're gonna go shopping somewhere, but I'm probably not gonna buy anything just yet. Yeah. Because I'm trying to save my money. Yeah. But yeah. Stop the video. Oh my god, it looks so brown. Ew. Hi, we look like hobos. So this is where we are right now, and I'm freaking cold. Yeah. Okay guys, so we went out swimming like a couple hours ago. It's pretty nice. We're gonna end up coming back, but for now we're gonna go eat. And we're all dressed up and shit. Sure. Why is it black?
Jack.
Why is it black? Wait. It's still black. Is my camera broken? Oh my. Okay, take two. Shoo.
Jack.
You're.
It's just like
Okay, we're gonna go out. I think. Oh, she just closes. Like. Oh, yeah. We're on our way. Yeah. Stop the video. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. These bowls are fucking weird. I'm just about to tuck these in. But yeah. Look how cool. We did this earlier with the tube. Lazy river. Pretty fun, pretty fun. Oh, we have to record the thing with the water slides and stuff. See you later. We got our first course, which is corn soup. Yeah. Let's try it.
wait, you have to try it at the same time.
Oh.
No, I'm jello.
Oh, it's
I'm
good.
gonna change.
What?
I'm gonna change first because they said it's good. No, I'm gonna try this one with you. Okay? This is good.
That looks good too. The plate is like
Big.
crazy. That's delicious.
Busty.
It's busting, guys. I give it 10 out of 10. Period.
I'm jello.
Appetizer.
You guys are back, and I got the shrimp fettuccine, and then she got ribeyes.
It's the medium rare.
Look at that.
Okay, there's more people coming.
This will be the second. Bustin'.
It's busted.
How's it going?
I'll probably give it like a maybe 8.5 out of 10. So you guys want to get a dessert? Actually, for dessert, I got a Kona coffee cheesecake. And then what did you get?
I don't even know.
Coco, Liga.
You're gonna offend them all. Please, take a picture of me, Daddy.
Here.
Chocolate, right? The black.
Ooh.
Oh, I think magic.
Oh, we'll take a look at it.
It's like fish professor.
Meeting gold.
Fish coffee.
Eating gold. I just want to taste it.
Yeah. Wow. What do you think?
It's busting.
It's busting. Mine is like it's great, thank you. I'll give this like a 9 out of 10. Pretty good.
I got it. What's on this?
Cute. Happy birthday, baby.
I don't think I can fit this on my stomach.
Yeah, baby. She broke it, baby. Wow. Cute.
They didn't give it back. So I have to put it behind.
So that's it for dinner. I'm really full. And we're gonna go back to the place.
Just bust.
Oh no. Okay, bye.